All right, so before I press play and run the tape, I just want to say that, I just want to say, first things first, the low light performance coming out of Luna, bravo, like, oh my gosh, like, this is definitely the best low light performance coming out of any Insta360 camera. If I had two hands right now, I would, you know what? This deserves me to put everything down and clap with my two hands. So yeah, anyway, before I press play on the tape, I just want to say this. So last week I went out, did my low light test with Luna, shot everything in pure video mode, in full auto, like full auto ISO, apart from a few clips. I got back and I watched the footage back and I was so impressed. Like, the footage looks great. However, I couldn't help but think when I was watching a lot of those clips back that, yeah, things definitely look a little bit more on the brighter side, which makes sense because I left the ISO in full auto. So essentially it's boosting the ISO up. But when I'm watching some of the clips back, I'm like, no, the sky shouldn't be blue, or like, it doesn't look daylight, but it definitely doesn't look midnight. And it was like midnight, 12:30. Anyway, not satisfied, I went back out and this time adjusted the ISO manually for every clip, which, by the way, Insta360Ls, if you're watching, it would be good to have some kind of EV meter to show how under or overexposed you are, because yeah, essentially when you're adjusting the ISO yourself, you're just doing it blind. So I just, yeah, had to guess. I was looking at the scene and sitting around me saying, right, I think this number is the number it should be in. Anyway, I got back and I watched the footage back and I was even more impressed at those sets of clips than I was at the previous set of clips. Like, it's so clean, like, it's just so clean. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Like, I can't really fault it and see any noise and mush and grain like I usually can and I usually have on other Insta360 cameras. The one thing I would say is there is a weird glow around the lights, which gets a little bit fuzzy the closer you get to lights. When you're further away, it kind of looks like a glow mist filter, so it does look pretty cool, but it's quite intense. And I thought it was exclusive to Luna, but I went back on my low light Pocket 4 video and that actually has a glow around the lights. Not as much, which is why I guess I don't think I've noticed it on the Pocket 4 or Pocket 3. But yeah, it's quite a big glow, which also makes like words hard to read if they're lit up. Again, you'll see what I mean. So anyway, yeah, what you're about to watch is two different montages. The first montage is the manual ISO montage. The second montage is the full auto ISO montage with a couple of manual ones in there. All of the labels are going to be in the corner at the bottom, so you'll be able to see what's what, whatever you're watching. Let me know what you prefer. I don't think there's a right or wrong here. I think it's personal preference. If you're going to be out in London or anywhere, not just in London, anywhere in the world, like a city at night vlogging, mate, whack it in full auto ISO. You're going to look great. Everything around you is going to look great. Yeah, it's all going to be great. If you want to get things looking a little bit more true to life, a bit more natural, a bit more cinematic, you're going to need to adjust the ISO manually yourself. So let me stop chatting shit. Let me know which one you prefer down below. It's time to run the tape.
I can't let you go.